Hi guys, my name is Uma Sarwar. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new on this channel, then I want to tell you that on this platform I always talk about different universities, different scholarship, how to avail the scholarship, how to get the acceptance letter from the university, what are the requirements, application deadline, and most importantly, how to apply for the university, what is the criteria, and how to fill the application form. That is the most difficult part for the students, how to fill the application form. So in today's video we're going to talk about University of Hong Kong. As everybody knows that Hong Kong is a thriving region and popular destination not only for the tourists but also for the international students. And you know that Hong Kong is known for offering some of the best degrees in economics, finance, business, and also engineering. So if you want to get the scholarship from the Hong Kong, then please watch this video till end, because in this video I'm going to talk about this University of Hong Kong, the requirement, application deadline, and application process. So it's a public university, is founded in 1877. The acceptance rate for this university is 50%. So first talk about university entry requirement. What documents do we need to apply for this university? First of all, we have to complete our online application form. And for the documents we need, if you want to apply for bachelor degree program, then you need high school diploma. If you want to go for master degree program, then you need your bachelor diploma. And for the PhD program, you need your master's degree. Then proof of English proficiency. If you have English language proficiency certificate, that is enough for you. Transcript of record and also your diploma, passport size photos, copy of valid passport and personal ID, your motivational letters of recommendation that you can get from your professors, personal statement, that is like your motivation. And the last one is interview, online interview, if it is a requirement of the professor, if it's a requirement of that department. Okay, next one is English language requirement. What is the English language requirement? If you have TOEFL and if you have IELTS, GCE, these are the requirements. You can read these requirements. That what type of test do you need as a foreign language? But the most important thing is, and it's a good news for Pakistani, Indian, and most of the non-native speakers, that if you have English language proficiency certificate, then you don't need to submit your TOEFL, IELTS, and Cambridge. Okay, let's jump into the application process. Okay, our first step is to write down the name of the university, and the University of Hong Kong. There are few options you can see on the screen. Postgraduate admission, faculties department, career opportunities, and graduate school. Okay, let's click on postgraduate admissions. Okay, let's also explore faculties and departments. So these are faculties and department of this university. Okay, let's get back. Targeted postgraduate program fellowship scheme. Okay, there are few program information: Faculty of Architecture, Faculty of Art, HKU Business School, Faculty of Dentistry. Okay, you can check your department, just like Faculty of Social Sciences and Financial and Student Sport, Finance and Student Sport. They are also giving some scholarship. If you want to get scholarship, you can explore this area to get the scholarship, grants, and different type of loans from this university. Okay, let's click on this apply button. Program apply list 23-24. You know, each program and each department has different deadlines, just like this Master of Architecture. The deadline for non-local students is 31st of May, and similarly Master Architecture Design, their deadline is also 31st of May. But Master of Housing Management and this Landscape Science in Conversion, their deadline has already passed. So there are few departments and few courses, their application is open, just like this one, May 10th, May 31st. So before applying in this university, please explore this. They are also offering full-time and part-time study, so it's up to you if you want to apply for full-time or part-time study. Okay, in this department, we can say it's a faculty of medicine. There are doctor of nursing, master of advanced pharmacy. The application is open. Its deadline is just like postgraduate diploma in infection diseases. Their deadline is August 31st. So they have plenty of time to apply for this university. Their deadline is May 21st, 25th of. So each department, and in each department, each course has different deadlines. Just like this one, Master of Science in Environmental Management, their deadline is May 31st. Master of Science in the field of Applied Geosciences, their deadline is also 31st of May. So suppose I want to apply for Master of Architecture full-time, click on this full-time. Additional information for applicant, click on this one. Instruction of submitting supporting documents is a very important document. Okay, first check the instruction. The University of Outcome Master of Architecture, after submitting an online application, I will tell you how to submit the online application. So after submitting the online application via this website, applicant will receive a faculty email and be requested to submit supporting document in soft copies via the faculty merge application document submission system. Via this system, when you apply with the online application system, within 1 day or 2 days, you will get an email from the university, and you have to submit your supporting documents on this website when you receive the email from the university. What are the supporting documents? These are the supporting documents that you need to upload. So please, these are the documents. Okay, after submitting the online application, same thing. You have to upload all of your supporting documents by 31st of May 2023. These are the supporting documents that you have to upload to apply for this university. So before applying for this university, please read this form. This form is just for Master of Architecture. So each department has different requirement. Each department has different things. So before applying in any department, please read this instruction of submitting supporting documents. So next is applying. Click on apply. Now we have to register ourselves. If you already registered yourself, then click on this button, click here. But okay, first title, surname, and given name. Middle name, I don't have middle name. So email address, and reconfirm. Okay. Username, my username, password, and then this one, and then click on save and continue. Okay, password not match. Okay, let me check if I something wrong. And click on save and continue. And they are asking for my personal information, my gender, date of birth. Okay, if you have Chinese name, no, I don't have Chinese name. So okay, identity document, no, I have to upload my identity document. I don't have Hong Kong identity document. Passport number, I said 9876. Passport number, issuing country is Pakistan. Okay, and then next one, nationality is Pakistan. Corresponding address, name, street number, Rate number 1. Okay, telephone. Please fill in the country code with plus. Okay, plus 92. Okay, 332. 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 8, 7. Okay, this is my phone number. I need a visa entry permit to stay in the Hong Kong for study purposes. Yes, disability information. Okay, please specify the type of the visa. I need study visa. And can you with disability? No. Have you been admitted to this university? No. Then click on save and continue. Next one is they are asking for qualification. As I am applying for master degree program, so I have bachelor degree. Abbreviation, I said I have BSc. And major subject, I'm applying for architecture. I said okay, engineering in architecture. More of study, it was full-time duration of study. I said it's 4 year study. Honors classification, pass with credit, pass with distinction. So it's up to you. I'll check first class honor, second class upper division 2A, pass with credit. I said actual CGPA. My actual CGPA was 3.8 out of 4. Overall average score if CGPA grading system is not applied. Okay, awarding country Pakistan. Pakistan institution name University of Punjab. Then click on search. There are two options, Punjab College of Business Administration and Punjab University. Okay, let's say this is my university. Then click on confirm. If your university is not in the list, then you can write it down. Awarding institution. Okay, this one. Okay, awarding country. This one is for country. This one is for university. Date of award. Okay, I said I got my degree in January 1st, 2023. Was English the language of instruction of the program? Yes, it was in English. Research, coursework, and both. It was both. Certified true copy of sporting document to be sent by the post by the applicant. Okay, this one. Then qualification obtained 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have more than 5 graduate, postgraduate academic qualification, please list on the separate sheet. Please quote your application number and submit with other required supporting documents by post. Next is current academic studies. If you are currently registered at this university or other institution for an award and is not going to complete the study and obtain the award before 31st of this academic year in which admission is sought, HKUs and approved is required. So if you didn't get your degree, if you are waiting for your degree, then you can select this one, qualification and everything, put down your all of your information in this area. But I said okay, I got my degree. Next one is professional qualification. If you got any professional qualification, you can write it down. If you didn't get any professional qualification, if you get any certifications, then I suggest you to enter all of your courses, all of your qualification, either that is your certifications, your conferences, your seminar, you can put it down. And this is about your work experience. If you have any work experience, you can write it down and then click on save and continue. This is for your English language qualification. If you have IELTS, TOEFL or any other, then you can, I'll say, okay, apply exemption because I have my English language proficiency certificate. Please note that the exemption will only be granted in the exception circumstances. Okay, this one. Okay, save and continue. This one is your academic professional referees. The name of your professors. First name. Relationship, supervisor. Position, assistant professor. Organization, University of Punjab. Address, address of your university, not your home. Next is telephone number, email address. I said the email address of my professor is. Next is next supervisor. And relationship, supervisor or professor. Position, associate professor. Organization, address. These are basic information. Then save and continue. Click on this one. Please take the appropriate box to indicate where you learn. Okay, this one, HKU website. Then save and continue. Okay, this is my application, the preview of my application. Web account is Huma. Okay, system reference is this one. Okay, just go over this form. Okay, submission of the application. You are about to proceed to the payment section of the online application system. Your application will be submitted to the admission office registry only upon authorized payment of non-refundable application fee is 300 HK. So now the next process is you have to pay this fee either by Visa card or MasterCard. Debit card is not acceptable. So how to pay the fee? Next one, okay, I make the declaration, click on this one, then proceed to payment section. Once you pay the application fee online, you will not be able to add or change any application fee details. Save and retrieve your application. Okay, then click on yes. Now you have to choose either you want to pay by Visa or MasterCard, or I said, okay, I want to pay by Visa. Now you have to put on your the complete information, your card number, your expiry date, card verification number, and pay now. Okay. Once you have paid your application fee and your submission is successful, you will receive an email with the instruction. On the next step, you will be able to upload your supporting documents to the system. But you can upload your supporting documents also after getting the email from the university and with the instruction. Please read all the instruction carefully and follow the file and naming format of the documents. So this is the procedure to apply in this university. I advise you to please check your email to get the update from this university. So this is the procedure to apply this university. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Next video tak ke liye take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.